Well, coming with a clean Carfax and just 19,000 miles, this is a beautiful 1995 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Oh, these are beautiful cars, and this one is really great looking. Torch red on the exterior, light beige on the interior. It has that glass T-top, and under the hood, 300 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission, posi rear end. Now, factory features on this car include the dual power sport seats, electronic climate control, performance axle ratio, Bose Gold AM FM cassette stereo, fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering. Everything's power on this car. Even a power antenna, tilt, cruise control, ABS, and traction controls. We said it comes with a clean Carfax, and this car is loaded with options. Now, if you want to see more detailed pictures of this car and also see the pricing details, just click the link right below this video, and it'll take you to all of that information. As we said, clean Carfax loaded with options. This 1995 Corvette shows just 19,931 miles, and it is in nice condition as well. The car's paint is good to very good. It has a great shine. The glass T-top is very good to excellent. And the window sweeps, rear hatch seal, and all weather stripping on this car is very good to excellent as well. The wheels are in very good condition. And the interior of this car, well, it shows very good factory leather seats, door panels, and steering wheel. Very good to excellent center console. This car is completely factory stock, and you can see it is absolutely beautiful, from that great red shine to beautiful interior as well. And of course, our Corvettes are all hand-picked here at buyavette.net, and this car features a corrosion-free subframe as well. So be sure to give us a call if you'd like to know more about this Corvette. Or remember, we have more Corvettes than any other dealership in America. So be sure to check us out. Give us a call today at 770-414-5552. One of our sales representatives will speak to you. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button when you do, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, we specialize in online sales, which also means we can ship this car to you anywhere in the United States, and you can buy online with ease and with confidence. We make it so simple. And as we said, we can ship nationwide. We do it every week. So give us a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, or better yet, stop in and see us sometime. You won't believe the inventory of Corvettes here. We love our Corvettes, and we know you do too. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.